This is a materials video for Grade 4, Unit 3, Lessons 6 through 8. The first thing you need to do is set up the battery and the battery holder, which you should do for the students themselves. There is the flat end and the springy end of the battery holder. What you want to do is slide it into the sidewalls and then slip it in and make sure it's securely seated. Next, we'll be talking about the assembly of the mechanism for the buzzer and for the light. For the mechanism for the buzzer, it does matter what side of the wire it goes to. So you want your red wire to go to your positive side. How the students will do that is they will depress the clip and thread the wire through the opening and allow the wire to be perfectly seated. If you give it a little bit of a tug, you can ensure that it's there. Next, what we'll do is the students will use the black wire to make the buzzer sound. Next, we'll be talking about the lighting assembly for the students to put together. In the light bulb holder, there's a hole that you will screw the incandescent bulb in. These are old style bulbs that have a filament that will light when electricity goes through them. You want to make sure that the bulb screws in far enough that the metal of the bulb will meet the metal of the bulb holder. The next thing you want to be able to do is strip the wires. So we have a wire stripper here. What you want to do is slightly score the plastic insulator on the wire and then just lift it, slide it off to expose the metal wire. The metal wires are then attached into the bulb holder. In the case of the light bulb, it actually doesn't matter whether it is on the positive side or the negative side, but the clips work like that, and you give it a little tug for you to see if that works. The next, what you're going to do is do the same thing with the bulb holder, is put the wires in there, and then the students will use the attachment to be able to make the light bulb glow.